Hi there. So updating tasks one by one can be very tedious. So today we're going to look at bulk update and how you can update multiple things in multiple tasks all at once, right? So with bulk update, you can do multiple things. You can update the priority, status, assignees, tags, due dates, and much, much more. Let's see how it works in action. Go to any of your projects and go to list view. This is important because the experience is much better to update tasks at once in list view. It also does work in board view, but I would recommend list view. Select the tasks you want. Let's say I want to select the entire section. I just click on this. Let's say I just want to select this task here. I can do that too. Once you select all your tasks, you see multiple options here. Do you want to update their custom fields? Do you want to update their status, assignee, move them somewhere, duplicate them, reschedule them, update their priority, and much more. Let's say for now, I want to update the priority of these tasks. Let's say all of these tasks are of the highest priority for me right now. I can do that here very, very easily. I can also add task tags here. Let's say it's related to a client. So I do client A here and I save the tag and it gets updated here. Your ability to bulk edit tasks depends on your permissions. So if your organization does not permit you to edit other people's tasks, you may not be able to perform bulk edits for tasks assigned to other people. But other than that, it's a pretty amazing feature. That's it for today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.